Hi everyone. Um, Hi. So I'm going to show you how to make a attribute block and also how we can edit that. We can add a extra field, and also I will show you how to make some scales. So going to make a simple exercise. We need a room tag with just room name with area. Okay, so I'm going to delete this one. So I'm going to make a attribute. So you can type att for a attribute. So you can enter, then you will get a window. So you can make a in the tag column you can make a room name, but make sure it should be without space. So you can keep it without space, and also the in prompt you can keep it with space, there is no issue. And also default prompt is it's a default, the your category. Okay, so the default it's your value, it's a default value, so you can change later. Okay, so the next one, you can go to the text setting. Then I prefer always middle center, so it will, whenever it's bigger or smaller, it stay in position. And also you can choose the text style always. So if you have a special text style you can. And also for ISO standard, I'm always to choose the text height as a 2.5 for 1:1 scale. Okay, so this is a common setting. Then you can press OK. So the thing is, make sure, so you keeping text height as a 2.5 because it's for 1:1 scale. And rotation, we don't want any rotation, so we are keeping as a 0. So just enter, then you just insert the table. Then you can see the, if you double click you can see the tag and prompt and default. Okay, it's a simple things. Okay, so the next step, we need to add a area category, I mean area field. So you can two ways. One, we can add as a attity, then we can add it. And also the easy step, you can just copy and change the categories area. Then you can copy the prompt and default category, then press OK. So it's already done. So we can make it two ways, the other way also. And we are making a column, just make a rectangle, some line work for making the tag feel good. Okay, now the next step, we need to make a block for this one. So you can make a block type B, then you can tag it a room tag, the name, then pick point, make it sender, and select object. Okay, then make sure so you can see the behavior, the make sure you don't want to make annotative. I'll show you annotative in next stage. Also the thing is other one, it's this allow exploding. Okay, so make sure it's untick. You know why? Because if it's ticked, anyone can explode your standard block once you made it. Okay, so if it's untick, then no one can explode it. Otherwise they need to open the block, then they need to change in properties. Okay, normally we'll do, whenever we make the standard blocks, then we'll do this way. So make sure it's untick. Okay, so keep it always like this, because it's a better. So once you've done all these things, just press OK. then you can see automatically came the a window. So this is for adding the value. So I'm just skipping, just making okay, then we can add later. Okay, then if you double click on the top, you can see you can easily value. So room name, you can just put bedroom or something, whatever. So I'll type bedroom, and also for the area you can just type whatever, the 10 square meter, m square. Okay, so the thing is done. So easily, so you guys understand. I think you guys understand it. This is easier way. Then the next one, we need to add one more column, I mean one more field for the room number. Okay, so we are going to open the block. So we can add the field easily, the two way. One is copy, or you can just make it with attribute. Okay, so I'm just copying, so I'm just copy paste. Then you can change the value, just room number, make sure there is no space. So room number, and also you can copy and paste. Okay, but it's look too big, right? I mean too long, so I'm just going to change. I will just make it shorter for the tag only. So so I'll just shorten. So it will feel little bit shorter. So okay, so I need to, so the next one I'll make a rectangle stretch. So I'll just make a more wider, so copy, then I'll stretch it. So okay, stretch it. So once it's done, then we are going to close it. So close. Okay, so once it's done, you can see this. So which one you added, the new one, you can see this is empty because you cannot get it. So most of the friend ask this same question. Whenever we add the new field in attribute, we cannot see it. Why? So it's a simple setting. So you can just type ATT-SYNC. So that means attribute synchronization. So you can just enter. Okay, then you can select option, the select, then click the block. Okay, then click S. Okay, then enter. So now you can see the text came. See, you can see the new field already in. So it's a simple thing. So all the blocks, so whenever you are making some block, it's easy to make it in 1:1. So it's the thing is, whenever you have different scale, you can easily change in the properties. So you can see whenever you select it in the properties, you can see scale X, Y, Z, it's everything 1, right? So whenever you need to change to 10, I mean 1:10, so you can just type it to 10, so it's automatically change the scale. So it's easy. So make sure you're just doing in 1:1. Okay, so make it in standard format. Okay, make sure you're setting in 1:1. So standard, all the attribute. Okay, thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. We'll see you with another video. Bye, see you. Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to make a simple way how to make dimensions. Okay, so we are going to create a dimension in 1:1 scale, and I will show you how you can make other scale like 1:10 or any scale with this. Okay, so it's a simple. I will show you how to do it. Just follow the step. Okay, first you need to create a textile, so which so easy we can use that textile to our dimension. Okay, for making textile you can type ST for style. Okay, enter. Then you can see this text box coming, so you can make a new, click new, then I'm going to name as Arial because I'm going to select Arial text which I like it. Okay, so I choose already Arial. Then make sure regular and height should be 0 and width vector should be 1. Okay, so that's all. You don't need to do any other things. Then select the Arial, make set current. Okay, click close. So next one, you need to make it dimension style. Okay, you can just click type D for dimension style, and then you can see the dimension style manager window. And in this one, normally in AutoCAD we have one annotative and one standard. So I'm going to make 1:1 scale dimension as a new. So I'm clicking as a new. So it's always asking for which one we need to take starting. Okay, so because we have one standard, one annotative, so I'm going to start with the standard because which one is normal standard. So I'm going to name as dim -1. Okay, so just continue. So I'll show you how to set up all the things, but it's simple. You don't need to worry about anything. Just follow my step. You don't need to do everything. Just do what I'm showing. So in the lines, you can just change the properties, color. If you want any specific color or choose by layer, I'm always choosing by layer because it's easy to control everything. Make it by layer, so whenever you apply to any layer this dimension, it's automatically take all the properties. Okay, so you can click this one, and base spacing make it 3.75, and make sure these are on tick. You can see if it's tick, the extend leader it's turning off. You can see. Okay, so the other one, you can see the extend line, this one I like to make by layer also. Make sure I'm just everything by layer. Okay, the same thing I'm unticking these two because otherwise it will unhide the lines. Okay, the extension line, and the extension below dim lines you can make 1.25. you can play with this one. So these are the typically I'm using, that's why I'm just making. And this one, because we are making in so I'm just making 0.625. okay. Other one, you don't need to do anything. This thing on the light part, make everything by layer. Baseline spacing, just make it 3.75, and these things. Okay, so the next step, symbol and arrows. So you can choose arrows. So I like to make it architecture tick. So whatever you like, if you need the other one, you can choose. Okay, but leader closed field one, I like it. So I like to make the size as 1.25. okay, then mark, just make it 1. Then break line, I like to make 3.75. so you can see I'm using 1.25 most of the, and the baseline space 3.75 I'm using. okay, so that's all. I don't need to do any other things. okay, so one is arrowhead, so you can choose which one, and just leader arrow size, and also the center mark size, and the break line size. okay, so the next one I'm going to start with the text. So you can see text style. So I like to make Arial, which this one we already made on the beginning. I made a style, text style, so I'm just choosing here. So the color I like to make by layer, and I don't want any fill color or anything. okay, so for the text height, you can choose from 2 or 2.5. okay, so up to your company standard, 2 or 2.5. okay, I'm going to choose 2. And here on the text placement, and this one is making a rectangle for text. I don't like it. okay, and because standard, we normally never use these things on the rectangle, so I just untake. okay, then text placement, make sure it's above. You can choose on the center also, it's not big deal, but I'm just showing which one is normally used everyone. okay, so this horizontal, make sure it's centered, and view direction just left to right, there's no issue. And this one, after from dim line, I mean this line, that's of this dim line. okay, and the text offset from this dim line, that's we need to mention here. okay, so I'm going to make just 0.75, that's fine. And text alignment, I like to make ISO standard. So you can see these are already rotated as per the dimension. So that's it. In this one, you can see the text style and text color. I like to make a by layer, and fill color I don't use, and text height, and the vertical placement above, and other things keep it as it is, and just offset, change it, and text alignment. okay, then the next one, fit. You don't need to worry about any other things here. So just click this one. Always keep text between extension there. okay, so it will choose a stringed one, so this is a better option. And also for this one, when text is not default position, place it. okay, that placement, so better to click here, so over dimension without leader. okay, and here on this side scale dimension feature, don't click annotate because you are not using. Make sure use scale of this one as a 1. Okay, and fine tuning, you can just click here, draw dim line between extension line. Okay, so the last one, so you don't need to worry about tolerance or alternate unit. Okay, just go to primary units, make sure this is in unit, should be decimal. The precision up to you. Normally we use 2 digit, and if you need any round off you can just use here any prefix or suffix. Okay, but make sure the scale factor, you don't need to touch it, should be 1. Okay, so that's all. Then just for zero suppression, make sure it's trailing. Okay, so for the angular dimension you can choose decimal degree and also 0. Okay, that's all. So you don't need to worry about these 2 tabs. Up to here you need to fill it. Okay, so I'm going to press OK, then set current. So I'm going to make DLI, so for dimension linear, so I'm just trying. Okay, this is scale 1:1. Okay, so currently we made dimension for 1:1. So I'm going to show you how to make other scale like 1:10 or 20 or 50 or whatever, with starting with this 1:1. Okay, it's very simple. Just click dimension, for dimension style D, and I'm going to make new. Okay, so I'm going to make dimension 10. So make sure start with our dimension, so dim 1. Okay, just continue, then don't touch any of setting, just go to the fit, on fit, just change here overall scale of, just change to 10. So if you are making 100, just change here 100. If you are making 50, just change here 50, or 5 or 2 or anything, just value here. So that's simple. Okay, so I'm going to make dimension 10, that's why I'm just filling 10. So click, so set current, that's all. So we're done. So this is 1 and this is 10. So I hope you understood all the setting. If anything not clear, just comment down below videos and subscribe our channel for more tips. And also I'm going to make some video for Revit tutorial for beginners, including all the basic setting, all the basic tips. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you on next video. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back. So I'm going to show you how to make bulk binding of xref. Okay, so normally what we'll do, we'll open one drawing and we'll play with xref and click bind. Okay, so the thing is, if you have 1 or 2 or even 10, okay, that's fine, you can open one by one. But if you have like bulk 20, 30 or 50, and also you don't have that much time to take to like opening the file and binding. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make a bulk binding using Etransmit. Okay, so you can open one file and go to the file tab, then you can see Etransmit. Okay, click on Etransmit, then you can see one window. So you need to add the file. You can add all the file you need to bind, but wait for that. Before that, I will show you how to make your settings. Okay, so for the setting, go here for the transmittal setting, click here. You can just modify or you can add one more. So you can add for bind. Okay, then continue. Then in this window you need to make some settings for the binding. Okay, so for the transmittal package type, I'm always choosing folder set of file, and also for the file format you can keep it as it is for the existing drawing file format, or if you want lower version, then you can easily click here. Then whenever it bind it's automatically go to the lower version. So for now I'm just keeping the same as it is. Okay, then for the transmittal folder, okay, I'm going to select in desktop one folder, and okay, for the path option we can see the three options. One is use organize folder, structure folder, root folder, so that means it will replace it in the same folder, and the other one place in all in one folder, so that means it will go to this transmittal folder. And also do one more thing, keep file and folder as it is. Okay, but for binding we'll use the place all the file in one folder, and if you are sending a live file without binding, then you can use keep file in folder as it is. So whenever you send someone, they will get exact folder structure which you are using. Okay, so okay, for sending not binded, you can just click here, then done. You can just click at, but for now I'm going to show binding. Okay, so I'm just clicking file in one folder, and for the action make the bind external reference and put bind. And also sometimes we'll click purge, but it will take little bit more time. If you have more file, don't purge it. Okay, and click OK. So you can see, then just close. So you can see here which one you want to select. Okay, so I'm going to click bind. Then what you need to do, so you need to select other files, right? So okay, so I'm going to take 2-3 files. I don't want to take long, so I'm just drag and drop here. So you can see all the files here. Okay, then you can just simply click OK. So it's binding. You can see how fast this. Now we can close this one. Then I'm going to open in the ACS the folder because I saved some file, that's why it's saved. So you can see this is the file which we binded, I mean by using Etransmit. So these are the file it has attached as a xref, but sometimes it will come along with that. Okay, so don't worry about that. So let me open one drawing. See, I'm pressing XR. You can see nothing, no xref, everything binded. Okay, so hope you are enjoying this video. So if you have any comments or any doubts, you can comment on the below. I will reply on it. And thanks for watching and subscribe. Bye, see you on next video. Hi guys, welcome back again. So now I'm showing how to make a drawing number with inserting a field, and also I will explain what are the good thing doing this way, and also what are the problems we need to face on doing this, and also I will show you how to solve that issues. Okay, so it's a simple, it's not more critical. So currently we have a drawing number as a text. Okay, so the thing is, if it's text, whenever we have a drawing number, and if someone saying, okay, this drawing number is wrong, so we need to change to, for example, this one 1201, right? So someone saying this one, make it 1200. Okay, and also you need to change all the drawing to different number. So that time we need to open, first we need to rename the file first, then we need to open one by one and change the drawing number, right? That's a normally we do. Okay, if you have field, for example, okay, I'm going to add a field. I'll show you how to add and remove the text. Just press right key, you can just press field. Okay, then for here you can select documents. Okay, then you can just choose file name, then just click uppercase only and make sure just file name only. Okay, then click OK. Then you can see the file name, it's automatically come there. Okay, so I'm going to save. Okay, I save and I just close it. Okay, and someone saying just change to this number to 1200 and -00. Okay, so once you change, normally what we need to do, open it and change it again. So you don't need to worry about if you have field, just change here, just open it. See, job done. So it's done. Okay, so the next thing, okay, whenever you have number, then the file name, it's automatically matching with the field category. The thing is, sometimes if contractor or sub consultant, they will do like okay, I'll close this one. Okay, they will do this way. Maybe they need to rename this file, including the the title, because they need to understand which one is this. So it's showing kitchen details. Okay, so you can see the drawing number, and they rename it at kitchen detail because they include title, because they can easily understand, okay, this drawing for kitchen detail. That's why they added this one. The problem is, whenever we have a field as a drawing title, I mean drawing number, so let me open, then you will know the problem. See, you can see the name also included here, but it in drawing number should be up to here, no need to include title, right? So the next one, I'm going to show you how to control this one. So whatever you change on the number, I mean the file naming, it should be happening on the file naming only. Drawing numbers should keep the same, only up to the drawing number, no more title. Okay, so I'm going to explain how to do. So you can just double click, okay, then on the field edit, just double click. So normally what we'll do, file name, then whatever is coming, it's automatically picking. So I'm going to change that to others. Okay, keep diesel expression, then I'm going to type some diesel expression, then I will include that expression into description, so don't worry. So I'm going to type the dollar and bracket substructure comma dollar again, bracket again, get variable, comma for drawing name, and close one bracket, and comma, and 1 and 32, and close the bracket. Okay, so up to here it's for taking our file name. Okay, then these two we can control our digit, field digit, what you want to show. So the first one, from first digit we have 32 digit, that's why I'm just typing 32. Okay, so it's simple, you can change the digit whatever you have, you can just count the total number of digit you want, you can just change it here. So I'm just clicking here, so you can see it's changed. So whatever you have on the file name, see, it will not appear. So for example, you can just click here, you're saying, okay, I just need to click, sorry, I just need to make only 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 only. So you can say 1 to 7, click, done. So if you change anything on the file naming, it will not include, only the 7 digit. Okay, for example, okay, we have 32, so I'm saying for the reference we need last 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, only up to here, so 11. So from we need 21, right? 32 minus 11, etc. Then 21 plus then 11 digit only. Okay, so the first one, explain one more time. The first one, where you want to start, and this one, how many digit you want. Okay, so I think it's clear. So for example, from 1 start, then how many digit you want, you can see 11 1 and 11 digit, so it will come like this. Okay, for click again, then if you need 32 digit, so it's come like that. So I hope this is a very good, because most of them ask this question to me, so I explain this. I hope you understood, and if you have any doubt, you can comment down below. Okay, and also I will include the command, this command I'll include in subtitle, okay, for your reference. And also this field, there is many things, not only for drawing title, you can use for the scale, you can calculate areas, there is many things, you can just go through it. Okay, bye, see you on next video, subscribe if you like, bye bye. Hi friends, welcome back. ഇന്ന് ഞാനൊരു സിമ്പിൾ ടിപ്പാണ്, അത് ഹാച്ച് സെറ്റ് പ്രോപ്പർട്ടീസിൻ്റെ. ഓക്കെ, എൻ്റെ ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ ഫ്രണ്ട്സുകൾ ചോദിച്ചൊരു കാര്യമാണ്, അവർ ലാൻഡ്സ്കേപ്പ് മാസ്റ്റർ പ്ലാനൊക്കെ വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നവരാണ്. ഓക്കെ, പ്രശ്നം പറഞ്ഞുതരാം. 2 ടൈപ്പ് ഇപ്പോൾ അവൈലബിൾ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ, ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ 2014 വേർഷൻ മുതൽ വന്നേക്കുന്നത് എല്ലാം റിബണിലാണ് ഹാച്ചിൻ്റെ ഓപ്ഷൻസ് വന്നേക്കുന്നത്. കാണാൻ പറ്റും ഇത് ഇമേജ്. ഓക്കെ, ഹാച്ചിൻ്റെ വേർഷൻ എല്ലാം അതിൻ്റെ ഓപ്ഷൻസ് കാര്യങ്ങളെല്ലാം വന്നേക്കുന്നത് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ റിബണിലാണ്. ഓക്കെ, ഇതാണ് നമ്മളെ പഴയ വേർഷൻ, അതായത് ക്ലാസിക് വേർഷൻ. ഇത് രണ്ടും പ്രശ്നം കിടക്കുന്നു പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ, ഒന്നാമത്തത് ഇപ്പം അതായത് നമ്മളിപ്പം റിബണിലാണെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ ഓട്ടോമാറ്റിക്കായി നമ്മൾ എച്ച് പ്രസ് ചെയ്ത് എൻ്റർ ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഓട്ടോമാറ്റിക്കായിട്ട് നമ്മളെ എല്ലാം സെലക്ട് ചെയ്തേക്കോ, ഓപ്ഷൻസ് മൊത്തം സെലക്ട് ചെയ്തേക്കോ. അതായത് പ്രോപ്പർട്ടീസ്, അതിൻ്റെ ഹാച്ച് ആണെങ്കിൽ അതിൻ്റെ ഏത് ഹാച്ചാണ് വേണ്ടതെങ്കിൽ ഏതാണ് അതിൻ്റെ സ്കെയില് എല്ലാം ആക്റ്റീവായിട്ട് നമ്മൾക്ക് ജസ്റ്റ് പിക്ക് പോയിൻ്റ് മാത്രമാണ് നമുക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്നത്. അതായത് ഓട്ടോമാറ്റിക്കായിട്ട് അത് ആക്റ്റീവായി നമ്മൾ ജസ്റ്റ് പിക്ക് ചെയ്യേ വേണ്ടൂ. അതിൻ്റെ പ്രശ്നം വരുന്നതെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ, നമ്മളിതിപ്പോൾ ഓട്ടോമാറ്റിക് ആക്റ്റീവ് ആയിക്കഴിഞ്ഞ് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ, നമ്മളിപ്പം ചെറിയ ഡ്രോയിങ് ഒക്കെ ആണെങ്കിൽ നമ്മളിത് കുഴപ്പമില്ല, സിമ്പിളായിട്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. മറിച്ച് വലിയ വലിയ ഡ്രോയിങ്സ് ആണെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ ഇത് ചെയ്ത് ആക്റ്റീവ് ആയിക്കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നമുക്ക് ആ ഓട്ടോകാഡ് ഹാങ് ആവാനും ഫാറ്റൽ എറർ പോലെ വന്ന് നമ്മൾക്ക് ഓട്ടോകാഡ് ഓട്ടോമാറ്റിക്കായിട്ട് ഫയൽ ക്ലോസ് ആവാനുള്ള ചാൻസ് കൂടുതലാണ് ഹാങ് ആയിട്ട്. ഓക്കെ, അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് പല ആൾക്കാരും ഇത് എങ്ങനെ മാറ്റിയിട്ട് നമ്മളെ ക്ലാസിക് ലെയറിലേക്ക് മാറ്റാൻ പറ്റും, അതായത് ക്ലാസിക് ഹാച്ച് പ്രോപ്പർട്ടീസിലേക്ക് മാറ്റാൻ പറ്റുമെന്ന് ചോദിച്ചത്. ക്ലാസിക് പ്രോപ്പർട്ടീസിൻ്റെ ആണെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ ജസ്റ്റ് എച്ച് പ്രസ് ചെയ്ത് എൻ്റർ അടിച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നമുക്ക് ഈ പ്രോപ്പർട്ടീസ് വിൻഡോ ആണ് ഓപ്പൺ ആയി വരുന്നത്. എന്നിട്ട് നമ്മൾ എല്ലാം ഹാച്ചും എല്ലാം സെലക്ട് ചെയ്ത് സ്കെയിലും എല്ലാം സെലക്ട് ചെയ്ത് നമ്മൾ ആഡ് പിക്ക് പോയിൻറ്റോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ആഡ് സെലക്ട് ഒബ്ജക്റ്റോ നമ്മൾ ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്താൽ മാത്രമാണ് നമ്മൾ ആ കമാൻഡ് ആക്ടിവേറ്റ് ആവുന്നത്. അത്ര വരെ നമുക്ക് പ്രശ്നങ്ങളൊന്നുമില്ല. പക്ഷെ മറിച്ച് ഈ റിബണിലാണെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ ഓട്ടോമാറ്റിക്കായിട്ട് എല്ലാം ആക്റ്റീവായി. പിന്നെ നമ്മൾ പിക്ക് പോയിന്റ് മാത്രമേ കൊടുക്കുന്നത്. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഓട്ടോകാഡ് ഈ എറേഴ്സും അതുപോലെ ഹാങ് ആയാലുള്ള ചാൻസ് കൂടുതലുണ്ട് എന്ന് പറയാൻ കാരണം. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ ഫ്രണ്ട്സുകൾ എങ്ങനെ മാറ്റാം എന്ന് ചോദിക്കാൻ കാരണം. ഓക്കെ, ഇത് സിമ്പിളാണ്, ഞാൻ കാണിച്ചു തരാം. ഓക്കെ, ഞാൻ ജസ്റ്റ് ഒരു റെക്റ്റാങ്കിൾ വരയ്ക്കുന്നു, ജസ്റ്റ് സിമ്പിൾ ഹാച്ച് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി. ഇപ്പോൾ ഞാൻ ഹാച്ച് പ്രസ് ചെയ്താൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് മനസ്സിലായത് ഇപ്പം തന്നെ ഒരു ഹാങ് ആവുന്ന പോലെയാണ് ഉള്ളത്. ഓക്കെ, നമ്മളിത് ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നു, അപ്പോൾ നമ്മളിത് ഓട്ടോമാറ്റിക് ഹാച്ച് ആക്റ്റീവായി. ഓക്കെ, ഇതാണ് ഇപ്പോൾ ഉള്ള റിബണിലുള്ള ഓപ്ഷൻ. ഓക്കെ, ഇത് എങ്ങനെ ഞാൻ മാറ്റാമെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞത്. ഓക്കെ, അതിൻ്റെ കമാൻഡാണ്, അത് സിസ്റ്റം കീ ആണ്, HPDLG മോഡ്. ഓക്കെ, HPDLG മോഡ്. ഓക്കെ, അത് എൻ്റർ ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഡിഫോൾട്ട് വാല്യൂ 2 ആണ് ഉണ്ടാവുക, അത് 1ലേക്ക് മാറ്റുക. 2 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ റിബൺ ആണ്, 1 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നമ്മൾ ക്ലാസിക് വിൻഡോ ആണ്. ഓക്കെ, 1ലേക്ക് മാറ്റി കഴിഞ്ഞ് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ പിന്നെ നിങ്ങൾ ഹാച്ച് എന്ന് പ്രസ് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നമ്മൾ ഹാച്ച് നമ്മൾ നോർമൽ വിൻഡോ വരും. പിന്നെ ഇവിടെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് സിമ്പിളായിട്ട് സെലക്ട് കൊടുക്കുക, നമുക്ക് സെലക്ട് ഹാച്ച് വേണം, ഹാച്ച്, എന്നിട്ട് ഇത് ആക്റ്റീവ് ആവും. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പം ഇങ്ങനെ ചെയ്യുന്നതുകൊണ്ട് ഗുണം എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നമ്മൾ ക്ലാസിക് വ്യൂയിലേക്ക് മാറ്റി കഴിഞ്ഞ് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നമുക്ക് കുറച്ചും കൂടി, അതായത് വലിയ വലിയ ഡ്രോയിങ് ചെയ്യുന്ന സമയത്ത് കുറച്ച് ഫാറ്റാൽ എററും കാര്യങ്ങളും ഇല്ലതെല്ലാം കുറഞ്ഞു കിട്ടും. ഓക്കെ, ഹാങ് ആയി പോകുന്നൊക്കെ. ഓക്കെ, താങ്ക്സ് ഫോർ വാച്ചിങ്. എന്തായാലും അടുത്ത വീഡിയോയിൽ കാണാം. Subscribe and share. Bye, see you. Hi guys, welcome back. I'm going to show you how to find out all the system values error in one list. Okay, the thing is, whenever we import some elements from other file or xref or some fatal error or AutoCAD some error, it will affect the system values, so it will cause our workflow, right? Okay, anyway, I'll show you how to do it, and you can find out all the system value, and also in one click you can reset all the things. So it's a simple. First thing, make sure you subscribe our channel, and I'll make more tips for the AutoCAD and rivets. So okay, for the system value monitor, you can just type SYS, and for variable VAR and monitor. Okay, then enter system variable monitor. So SYS for system variable or VAR and monitor. Enter. So it will show you a window with all the variables here. Okay, and also you can edit the list. You can if some, because typically it will not be everything in the first list, so you can add from here. You can just select and tick here, so it will add on the list. Okay, so I'm always preferring to add everything in list, so we'll find out easily. So you can find out all the things, and these are no error. Wherever we have this symbol, that means it has error, right? So it's a simple. You can just click this one, reset all. So all the problem, all the system value problem solved. You can see these are tick, so that means it's solved. So then click OK, then job done. So in one click, all the system value problems we find out and all the system value problem we solved in one click. I think you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe. Bye bye. See you on next video. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a simple issue regarding the text mirror. So sometimes whenever we are mirroring a text, you can see I show you both option. So this is first option. I just mirror, then the text coming perfect. Okay, so same. The second one, you can see I mirror the same text, but text came as a mirrored text. So sometimes the drawing has this error. So I'll show you how to solve it. It's a simple. So it's a system value. So just type MMR text. So mirror text. Make sure it's off. So should be 0. And then whenever I'm mirroring, see, you can see perfect. So I can mirror this one also. See, done. So I can change the value again, mirror text to 1. That means it's on. Then let me mirror. See, so it will be like this. So if you got this issue, make sure the mirror text value should be 0. Then whenever you mirror, it will come perfect. I hope you understand. It's a simple. And thanks for watching. And next video I'm going to show you how to find out all the system value errors in one click. Okay, so just watch and subscribe. If you have any question, just comment down below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you on next video. Hi guys, now I'm going to show you how to make oily object. You know what is oily object? Okay, so I'm going to explain to you what. So normally in logos or some images, if you have in your drawing, so what we will do, we will xref the image or xref the logo. The thing is, whenever we send to client, we cannot include the image, so because we cannot bind the image, right? So that's very bad, because in your PDF you can see the image, you can see the logo, but whenever you send the CAD, you cannot, client, they cannot see the logo as an image. It's missing. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to make it. Okay, so I'm just detach, I'm just removing. So you can go to the insert and click the, I will show you the two option. I like to make the second option. Okay, but I'm going to show you the first one. Okay, so you can go to insert, click the oil object, and you can choose which one you like. I like the Word document, so you can open it, and in this one you can just insert your logo. So I'll just insert the logo, just save, you can close, then you can see the image here. Sorry, something wrong. Word. Then close. I'll just delete. So you can see this one we included, but you can see there is no xref. This is image like binded. Okay, one is this way, so I'll show you the other way. I'm going to delete this one, and this one you can just scale it, make it smaller, you can stretch it, then you can move to the logo part or the image part. Okay, so I'm going to delete it. The next option, you can just open the Word, okay, as a blank. So I'm going to paste a logo here. So once you paste, select, just copy, then just press paste here, then it will ask automatically all texts. So you can just press OK, then you can just scale it. Then scale it, then you can put wherever you want. Then you can see there is no xref here. So whenever you send to client or contractor, it will include. I think it's clear. So if you have any doubt, just message me on below the video. I'll reply. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos, AutoCAD and Rivet tips. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to export like a PDF or DWF or prints in the printer as a bulk export. Okay, so before we do that, we need to open a file. So I just open, then you can go to the layout, make sure you click the Patch Set Manager. Then here, for now I'm just showing how to export PDFs only, and the same setting you can use for the same way you can make it for DWF or print or anything. Okay, so I'm just going to show how to make the settings. So click new, then I'm going to name as A1 PDF. Okay, because I might title it's in A1. Okay, sheet. Click OK, then I'll select the A1. Okay, then I'm selecting the PDF, and here you can select, if it's DWF you can select here DWF, or if you need to print you can select any printer, because I don't have any printer here, that's why you cannot see. Okay, so I'm just selecting the PDF for now, then I'm selecting the paper size, then I'm just selecting the extent. So select, make sure it's in center of report, also make sure it's in mm, and 1:1 scale should be. Don't make it fit to paper. Okay, should be in 1:1, and you can select the relevant CTBs. I'm selecting my CTB, and you can click preview. See, it's perfect. Okay, then you can exit, click, then just set current. Okay, then save. Okay, it's done. Then you can click publish, type publish, or in file tab you can get it. Okay, publish. Then you can see the file is here, the which is open, because it whatever you open it's automatically click here. Okay, then I'm going to add some file, so I'll just show 4 files only. Make sure only layout only, you don't want to include model space. Okay, so I added already. Then what you need to do, you can see the page setup only apply to the first one. Okay, so we need to apply to the other sheets also. So which way we can do? It's easy, just select all, then select the settings, so you can see all the PDF done. So the next thing, make sure this publish to which one you want to. If it's printing, you can use plotter and name setting, and if it's DWF or DWX, you can select this one, and PDF. And we are going to print as a PDF, so we are just clicking PDF. Okay, and in publish option, so you need to click the location. You can say which one where you want to save. Okay, and you can see one here, multi-sheet file. Okay, so the thing is, if it's tick, all the PDF which we are exporting, it will come in one file. It will be a binded one, combined. Okay, so if it's untick, it will be as a single one, it will be as a separate everything. Okay, so make sure it's untick, or whatever you want. Like if you need to send a combined one, then you can click the multi-sheet file. Okay, so I'm just unticking. And the thing is, here in data, so I'm always removing this layer information. So the thing is, whenever we export the PDF, you can see in the properties bar all the layer information. You can click turn off or turn, you can control it. But normally whenever you send it to client or someone, make sure you are not including this one. That's a standard. Okay, then I'm just clicking close. So everything done. Also make sure this publish in background, it's untick. If it's tick, all the process will be done in background. The thing is, if there is any error, you will not be noticed until it's finished. Okay, so make sure it's untick. So I'm just clicking publish. Then it's asking for the save the setting. The thing is, this is only for the list. So if we save it, like, okay, for example, you have to export the PDF, DWF and printing, for example, but it's same set of drawings. So what you can make, just save, then you will get the same setting from using here in the sheet list. So I'll show you the example if you want. Save. Then I'm just going list. Okay, I'm just saving here. So okay, it's exporting now, so I'll show you after that. Okay, it's done. So I'll show the folder. You can see all the PDF done. If you open one, you can see it's done. Okay, so it's just very simple. So just make sure you have the setting. So okay, now we have a 4 drawing. I mean the list we saved, right? So okay, for example, I'm just publishing again and I'm just delete. Okay, so I'm going to import the list. So I'm just clicking, so you can select the list. See, now if you want to make DWF, just change the setting, change here, that's all. So hope you are enjoying this video. I think you understood the setting, everything. And if you have any doubts or question, just comment below the video, and make sure you subscribe and click the bell icon. Okay, thanks for watching. See you on next video. Bye bye.
Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to explain you how to make all the unreferenced xrefs, how we can make without opening the files. Okay, so the thing I'm going to show you what are the things we need to do and which way we need to make it. So one by one. So first, so normally we'll if we are a consultant or contractor or someone, we are receiving some files from other team. So maybe we are for example, we are requesting them to get a files, not binded one. We need a live one. Okay. So they send us a folder of package including sheet, xref, all the things like images, whatever is linked on the sheets. Okay. So the thing is, once we receive the files, we just download, we keeping in our server, then we need to link manually one by one. So for example, so I receive these 22 files, then there is many xrefs. You can see these are some xrefs you can see here, and some element files, some images, and also the title xref. Okay. Then if I open one file, you can see all the xrefs missing. So normally what we will do, we need to link manually one by one. So we will click the file, then we will go to the saved path and relink again. Repath again. So the thing is, if you have one or two or three files, it's okay, we can do this way. But if you have many files, like more than 20 or more than 10 or more than 50, it's too difficult to make it, and also it will take more time to fix it, right? So it will lose your time. So I will show you how to do without opening this file. We can fix everything. Okay. So I'm going to close this file. Okay. So I'm just minimizing Autocad. So what you need to do, you need to open. You can just go to the start button. You can find it a software called Reference Manager. You can see. Is it Reference Manager? Okay. So what you need to do, you can just select all the sheets. Okay. just drag and drop here. So it will ask for the which option you want. But normally I will add only the first level xref. So it will not hang, or it will not take more time. So it will be too fast. Okay. So I'm just going to click on add only the first level xref. So now you can see what are the things on these files. So I'm just going to click on the for the sorting. Just click on the type. Then you can see, because we just need to make link only the xref. Okay. Other things I'm not caring. So you can see all these files xref. Then you can see the file name. Then its status is missing. Okay. So what you need to do, you can just click on the name for sorting. So it will make all the name in same sorting order. You can see all the title it's in the one. Right. So the next thing what you need to do, you can see, okay, you can go to all these files. So you need to go to the Windows Explorer, then just check where it is saved. So you can go to the console, then you can see all these files here, right? So you can easily copy the location. Okay. What you need to do, just select these files, then right click, you can see edit select path, click on it, then the old one just replace with the new one. Okay. So just click OK. Then it will show you, see, it's fixed already. So you can just click again the status. So only status plus the file name. So you can see all these files still. So the first level, the first one we already fixed. Okay. So next one, so the A1 title sheet it's missing. So you can select all these files, go here the same folder, the title sheet folder, copy the address. So edit select path, paste. Okay. So that one also done. So you can see you can see the title also done. So the next one, general notes. So the select general notes. So edit saved path. Then just check where it is saved. Okay, it's here. So copy and paste. Okay. So now you can see all the xref. It's if you look at the status, it's all xref result. So the thing is, whenever you need to select the path, make sure it's saved in one path. I mean in same folder. So you can just select many drawings, but make sure you are going to select the same folder for these files. Okay. So once it's done, I think there is some images also. Let me check. There is image. Okay. I can find. Okay. Maybe it's already fixed. Okay. Once it's done, what you need to do, just click the apply changes. Okay. So it will ask for this one. So it will say same for, because the file was saved in 2018, so I'm going to save in same, so S to all, so it's saving. Okay, then once it's done, you can just close it. Then you can go to the sheet. You can see all this file. It's like we open and link again, then close it. Okay, so I'm going to open one file because it's a link file, that's why it's missing. Okay, also there is some file, it's okay, because this one I just relink with the other file, right? But there is some file, okay, for example, this file, maybe this one also has some links from other folder. So what you need to do, you need to go to the same thing in Reference Manager. Then you can add this file to here. Okay. Then the same thing in element. I'm going to same. Okay. Also, that's fine. I think so. I'm going to check the type and status. Okay. So I'm going to select this file. You can see everything in same name. Edit file path, construct. So reference will key here. So okay, I'm going to select this file. Edit path. So hopefully everything done. Let me check. So all the rest are done. Okay. Once it's done, I'm going to apply the changes as to all. Okay, close. I'm going to open the file again. See, you can see all this file, all the extra in except the image, because I didn't copy the extra. That's why it's missing. Okay. So if you open all the file, it's already linked. So I think it's clear. You can use Reference Manager for relinking all the unreferenced xrefs. Okay. So if you have any question or comment, you can put it in the below the video on the comment. I will reply on it if anything unclear. Thanks for watching. I'll be back with another section. Bye bye. And thanks for watching. Also subscribe my channel. Hi guys, welcome back. Now I am going to show you a issue and also how to solve it. Actually, one of my friend called me today to solve this issue, because whenever he was seeing a file, the window not appearing. So You know what I mean? So normally what we will get it. So if whenever we save as, the save as window will appear. So currently he has this. So whenever you are save as, then on the command bar you can see the options are coming. Normally the window will appear, right? So this was a simple error. So you can change the system value. So I'm going to show you how you can change it. It's a simple. Just type file dia. Okay, file dia. Okay, just enter. So you can see the value is 0. Just change to 1, then enter. Okay, now you can see if you save as, the window is appearing. So I think you understand. Just file dia, just change to 1. If it's 0, you cannot get this window. It will appear only in command bar. Okay, thanks for watching. If you are enjoying our videos, subscribe and share to your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you two things. One is the text case, like if we need to change to capital or small or sentence case, so we can change easily if you have many text. And also for the text orientation, how to rotate with a specific angle. Okay, so first I am going to show you how to do the text cases. It's easy. Normally what we'll do, we'll edit the text and also change the cases, capital or small or whatever. Okay, so if it's single or one or two text, it's easy, there is no issue. But I'm going to show you how to change this whole of thing. You can see some of them small, some of them sentences, and some of them capital. Okay, so I'm going to change to capital everything, then I will change to small later for showing you. Okay, so for changing the text, you can type T case for text case, that's a full form. Okay, T case, enter. Then you can select whatever text you want to change, then enter. Then it will show you which one you wanted. So you can we need uppercase, right? I mean capital. Okay, we can select capital, I mean uppercase, click OK, done. You can see everything already done in capital. So one more, I'm going to type T case, I'm selecting all, or you if you want some of them, you can just select only that one. Okay, so enter. I'm going to change to smaller one. Look, done, job done. See, okay, so next one I'm going to show you. Okay, we have a wall or something. Okay, I need to make a text here align with this line. So what we'll do normally, type rotate, click and angle, or we'll do like this also. We'll keep the text here and rotate. We'll keep a reference point,
type R for reference and click here. We'll put the straight and also the next reference point. You can do like this also, but it's taking time, right? So I'm going to show you how to do this one in easy way. Okay, so we need to change this all text to angle with this one. Okay, so what you need to do, just type T orient, so text orientation. Okay, type enter, select the text. I need to change all the text, so select the text, enter, then you can select the any angle. Job done. You can see everything changed as per your angle. So I'll show you one more time. T orient, select the text, enter, then you can select the angle, just 2 points. Done. I hope you're enjoying this video. I think you learned this one, and also if you have any comment, just write down and subscribe our channel for more tips. See you on next video. Bye bye.